Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to lube your garage door if it's so noisy. Right now it's being so noisy, so I'm going to show you how to lube your garage door to make it quieter. Okay, so let's lube this hinge right here. I'll put a paper towel underneath it so it doesn't make a mess after you spray it, because right now what kind of lube I have can spray out really fast and it can cause a mess easily. So I'm going to put the towel underneath it, spray it, shake it first, then now let's spray it. Let's do the roller. I don't want lube going on the track, so I'm gonna wipe that immediately because the track is not meant for lube. I want to be careful of the cable because if it breaks, you would hear a big sound from the springs because the springs are extreme tension. So I'm gonna be careful. I think I got all of it. Let's move on to this hinge. I'm gonna get the towel underneath it. Now let's do it. There it is. Let's wipe it off so it doesn't drip down when you open and close the door. Let's spray this side. And now the roller. I would say that's good for the roller. I would do it a little bit so that you don't get lube dripping down the tracks because you don't want any lube getting onto the tracks. So now let's go to the higher ones. Okay, now that got lubed. Oh, there's some grease dripping down here. Let's do this side. I don't think that was enough for the roller. There we go, I think that's enough. There's some grease dripping down. Maybe just a teeny bit more. That's a lot more than I wanted, so I'll drip it down. Let's do one more and then I'll do the rest of the door. Let's do this one. Okay, so let's lube this hinge and roller, and then I'll cut the video and lube the rest of the door. And there's some dripping coming down. Let's do maybe, I don't think it got on, so let's do one more spray. I think it got on this time. Okay, I think it got on, so let's do the roller. So yeah, that was enough lube for the roller. I want to spread it around. So I have done this hinge. Now let's move on. Now I'm gonna cut the video and do the rest of the door. Okay, I got the door all lubed up and it's ready to go. I lubed all the hinges and rollers and bearings and whatever is on the door, but no lubing on the tracks. So that's why I wanted to get any lube off of the tracks as much as I can. Okay, let's test it, and here we go. That did not, the door's still squeaking. I think lubing is not the problem. Let's run it down. I think I quieted down the squeaking, but there's some binding going on, so the door's not 100% quiet, but that's okay. It's just because of the binding and stuff going on the door, so that's why it still makes noise. I think it sounds better than I remembered it to be, so that's the good thing. There you go. That is the video of how to lube our garage door. If you want to check out more how-to videos, go to the how-to videos playlist, and I'll link that in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, enable the bell, and leave a comment. And I hope this helped, and have a great day.